Hi, fam. In today's discussion, I'm going to share with you how best we are going to handle mathematics paper 1 exam preparation, basically considering the 2022 GCE exam. If it's the first time on this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button so that the channel can be able to grow, and then ensure that you turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when next I post a new video. We're going to share question 7, which basically was under the concepts of arithmetic progression. The question reads, for the sequence 5, 12, and 19, find the 60th term. In as much as we are talking about paper 1, there is a sequence called an AP, or rather an arithmetic progression. An arithmetic progression is a sequence achieved by either subtraction or addition of numbers consecutively. Given an example, if we have 2, and then we have 5, and then we have 8, we're going to find that to these 2, in order to get 5, there is a certain number which is either added or subtracted. Now that the numbers are increasing, we can firmly be able to say it's 2 plus 3 getting a 5, 5 plus 3 getting that is 8. So in an exam, there can be a question which can clearly be able to state or require or request for you to find what can be called the common difference. For now, we're going to entertain the 60th term, then B, the nth term. Let's begin. So just like the question, for the sequence given, we have 5, 12, 19. These are the first 3 terms of the arithmetic progression. Find the 60th term. The first important thing is to identify your A. Your A is a denotation which is going to show the first number. Our first number should start from the left, so our first term is 5. Then we're going also to clearly state the common difference. The common difference, we're going to pick 2 consecutive numbers and subtract. So we can say 12 minus 5 or 19 minus 12. So our common difference is going to be positive 7. Why is it going to be positive? It's because the sequence is positively increasing. Then also very, very important to consider is the value of n. Value of n is the exact position under which you are finding a certain number. So since the question is saying 60, it means you are finding the number on the 60th position. Having done that, we are going to apply the formula. We're going to say nth term equals a plus, then n minus 1, close brackets, then we say t. Mind you, this formula, in as much as it concerns paper 1, it won't be given. Rather, it will be very important to place your endless efforts in proper practice in order to claim self-reliance. Now, let's substitute. We're going to say t, where there is a, we will replace with a 6, equals to, where there is a, we're going to replace with a 5, plus, where there is a, we're going to replace with a 6 again, minus 1. And where there is a t, we're going to replace with a 7. In as much as paper 1 does not involve a calculator, it is very vital, important, and sufficient for you to check the correct substitution of the numbers. So I'm going to say 6 term equals 5 plus, open brackets, I'm going to say 6 minus 1, this is 5. Then outside we're going to have a 7. So I'm going to say 6 term equals 5. Make sure you start by multiplying, then lastly you add, plus 5 times 7, it's going to give us 35. Then we're going to say the 60th term is going to be 40 as the term we're going to have. So most importantly, it's about the numbers that should be achieved and then replaced in the formula. Then you follow it closely. You say 5 plus, then you say 5 times 7, that is 35, plus 5 will result in the 6th term being at 40. Lastly, let's entertain the nth term. So to achieve the nth term, it simply means we do not have a specification of the number under which we are finding. So the first term, as usual, was 5. Then the D was 7. This time around, when they say 60, you are supposed to say N is 6. When they say 80, you say N is 8. Now that they are saying N, we are supposed to say N is unknown. You assume N is N. So having to understand like that, we're now going to say what there is N, we're going to replace with N. And having to do that, let's apply the formula. Nth term equals A plus, then N minus 1, then D. Then I'm going to replace by saying what there is N, we're going to replace N. So I'm going to say N equals what there is A, we're going to replace with a 5. So I'm going to say 5 plus what there is A. The same value you replace here should be the same value. Now that we have the letter, we'll replace N minus 1. Then what there is D, we're going to replace with a 7. And nth term is an expression that is going to be the exact formula which was supposed to be used in order to find the numbers in the sequence. We proceed. Nth term equals to, we're going to bring down 5 plus. If you don't mind, you can come and replace this 7 here, where you can say 7, then open brackets N minus 1. If you do not want to achieve this stage, you can still multiply 7 times N and 7 times negative 1. So we're going to say nth term equals 5 plus 7 times N is 7N. Then positive times negative is negative. 7 times 1 is going to give us a 7. Having to do that, we're now going to say nth term equals, we're going to say 7N, which is here, then plus this 5, then minus 7. So nth term is going to be 7N. Then I'm going to say 5 minus 7 is going to give us negative 2. So this is the exact formula for the nth term. Make sure as you watch and pause the video, grab a paper to relate the same information to prepare adequately for any final exam, be it the GCE or the internal exam. If you haven't yet subscribed, consider subscribing, share the video, comment on the video, and all in all, if you're having your exams tomorrow for the internal exam, I wish you the level best. Keep believing in yourself. Till in the next video. For now, it's a goodbye.